Hi, this is Car Guy 11. If you notice, the C7 Corvettes come with very large wheel gap, similar to my Jeep. It's not that bad, but it bothers me nonetheless, and there's a very easy way to solve this from the factory without costing you any money. And today I'm going to show you how to do this. I'm going to start in my relatively level garage and get 4 measurements of the corners to see where we start. Okay, it's helpful to have 2 jacks for this job, one to lift the car and one to put pressure on the leaf spring. So I have the one lifting the car already there, but before you do that, you want to turn the wheel to the far lock position, whatever side you're on. So I have it turned so I can gain access to the bolt. And also it's helpful to use hockey pucks as the spacer between the jack and the lifting point so you don't mar the surfaces. And fortunately my nephew's a hockey player, so it comes in handy. Now this is the view behind the wheel, and that is the bolt that you are going to be backing out and lowering the suspension. The leaf spring's connected to it, and by backing out that bolt, it actually lowers the car by lowering the point of where the leaf spring is touching the control arm. As you can see, now I have the jack putting pressure on the leaf spring to lift it up so I can turn the bolt without it being pressed down onto the control arm. So this is an easy way. You can also use a jack stand if you don't have another jack. Now you need a 10mm wrench to turn the bolt counterclockwise, and I'm just going to turn it all the way out to its lowest position. Okay, I backed it all the way out. It's probably hard to see, but it was about the same from the other side, about 4 turns. Now the rear I think is a little easier because there's a little more room, but again you're going to lift the car up with one jack and then use the second jack to put pressure on the leaf spring. And there's way more room, like I said, so no issues there. And I'm also able to fit a 10mm ratchet here, so it goes a little faster. And you can see here it backing out. So yeah, you can see the little pad touching the control arm. So alright, that's the process. Now it'll probably take a little bit to settle, so I'll lower it down, I'll check it, and then I'll take it for a ride, shake it down a little bit, and measure it again. Okay, I'm back from my drive and the suspension settled a little, and I did the final measurements, and it looks like it only came down about 10mm in the rear and 15mm in the front, but it does look a whole lot better. I like the wheel gap, how it's even around the top and sides. It's better. At least it looks a little more even. And then the rear looks a lot better as well. Now it may settle more. Like I said, I just took a short drive, so it may come down a little more, but I'm happy with the results, and it's free. I mean, you just factory bolts, turn them and lower them. So we'll see how it all settles out, but I'm definitely, it looks a lot better in my eyes. So pretty easy install, and anyone can do it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. You may have also noticed my new tinted side markers in this video, which completes the black and blue theme of my car.